Hello, welcome to 1.3 Day 1 examples. Here is our goals and steps for today. We are going to compare real numbers. Step 1, we're going to convert each number into a decimal. If it's already in a decimal, we don't have to change it. Next, we're going to find the value of each side, and then we're going to compare by using greater than, less than, and equal to signs. And here's your vocab. Remember, less than looks like this symbol, and when the left side is smaller than the right, more than is when the left side is bigger than the right, and equal to is when both sides have the same values. Remember back from like 3rd or 4th grade, they showed you that big alligator. The alligator eats the bigger number. So you face this open side to eat the big number. So 5 is here, 2 is here. The alligator is going to eat the bigger number. And then same way with the other way. The alligator eats the bigger number, or I like to draw them like piranhas. Evil, like piranha whale things. So they eat the bigger number. So 10 can go here and 3 can go over here. Make your inequality sign eat the bigger number. So the big side faces the bigger number. Okay, here we go. So we got to make all of our numbers look like decimals or whole numbers because we don't know how big this is or this one. So we're going to plug these into the calculator. So I need the square root of 3. Use your Desmos calculator on Teams. It's a tab on your Teams page. Do you remember? I'll pick 4th period. Click More. And here's your Desmos calculator. There you go. So I need the square root of 3. Gives me that answer right there. So I'm just going to take the tenths to the 10th place. So it's going to be 1.7. So I'm going to write 1.7, bring down this plus 5. And so now I have 5 plus 1 is 6.7. Bring down that big circle. Now I need the square root of 5. Square root of 5. I got 2.2. I don't need the rest of this, just 2.2. Go back to PowerPoint. 2.2. Bring down this plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And I got 0.2. Now, which number is bigger? 6.7 or 5.2? 6.7. So I'm going to make that alligator eat the 6.7. And that's that. So 6.7 is bigger. Here's our next one. I need the square root of 2 and the square root of 4. Square root of 4, we know what that is. What number times itself gets us 4? You got it. It's 2. So I have 2 plus 2 gets me 4. Okay, now let's do square root of 2. So let's go over here. Square root of 2 is 1.4. 1.4 plus 4 gets me 5.4. Which number is bigger? 5.4 or 4? 5.4. Good job. Make the alligator eat them. All right, last example. So I have the square root of 12 plus 6, and I have 12 plus square root of 6. So none of these are perfect squares. We're going to have to type these in the calculator. So let's get square root of 12 is 3.4. 3.4 plus 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, and we have the decimal left over, 0.4. Okay, now I need square root of 6. Square root of 6, 2.4. Plus 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And that 0.4 is just there. Which one's bigger, 9.4 or 14.4? 14.4. So remember, the big side eats the bigger number. So if you want, draw your teeth so you can see which side is being eaten. The little side of the alligator points to the little number. All right, let me know if you have any questions.